if you're, because it ultimately, you can't manage anything that you don't know the number. You can't manage your portfolio, a portfolio, if you are not benchmarking to something. So that means that knowing that, even if you are years away from doing anything, what is your trajectory? What is the likely growth pattern that would be? When is the right time to start spreading out the equity within that firm? And what would that equity be worth to the people that you have in your firm? Those are the reasons for having that valuation. It's an incredibly important tool. It's a centerpiece tool that we use in all of our consulting.
Well, and for most advisors, I imagine it is the largest chunk of their net worth. Everything else, your 401k, your IRAs, your trust, those are getting marked to market every second. So why not at least mark your business value to market at least once a year?
Yeah. Right. Again, Scott, just to, that's an absolutely true statement. I can't think of a situation where that in the last 10 years where that statement was not true. And I will say that, again, this is another motivation that people have for entering conversations around M&A that have nothing to do with their retirement. They could be sitting on an asset that is undiversified, and what they would really like to do is diversify that asset. They diversify the management of the company, so they diversify it operationally, and they diversify it financially by taking some liquidity, let's say half, and then rolling the other half of their equity into the equity of the acquirer. So this is one of the factors that we talk to advisors a lot, and we say, look, you're sitting on a potentially very, very expensive asset that is undiversified, that is entirely related to your personal efforts and your ability to go to the office every day. So if you don't have a team that is equitized and is going to be there for the long run, who can manage those operations to a very high degree, then you're taking undue risk. If you don't have a plan for how you actually monetize that practice over the next 10-year period of time, you're taking on undue risk. So this is the nature of much of the consulting that we do with our clients every day.